Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Let's go! Through the pedestrian gate, you're welcome to a spacious house and lot for sale with 4 bedrooms. This property has a lot area of 408 square meters and a floor area of approximately 375 square meters across 2 levels. It also features a wide frontage. And now through the pedestrian gate, you immediately have a parking area for 2 vehicles here on the right. So you have a nice pocket garden here, access towards the service area, and access towards inside the house here, which we will explore later. And now through here, you see that you have a spacious front garden area leading to the side of the house. And here we have your main door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You have a high ceiling area for your living space with lots of natural light. And you also have sturdy PVC windows with screens on 2 sides of the living space. You have a natural wood feature wall on this side, and here also welcoming you as you enter the house. And you also have the new furniture right here. And you can open up these doors leading out to an expansive patio space. But first, let's explore your main dining area. So this is very well organized. You can have a large table here. It already has cove lighting. And this serves as a nice central area connecting all the main amenity spaces. And of course from here, you can open this sliding door towards your spacious lanai and garden area. This is fantastic because it's completely covered. And this is great for parties, get-togethers. You can have 2 separate tables here. You can even have like a billiards table or a table tennis table right here. This is a nice recreational area. And this is where having a 408 square meter lot comes into play. Because you have so much in terms of garden space. So if you move on this side to the corner of the house, you can see immediately how large the area is with the grass. And of course, you can open up this sliding door leading towards your living space. You also have multiple trees inside the property because of the size, and that gives you plenty of shade and greenery. Of course, it's up to you what you want to do with the plants here once you acquire the property. But right now, it has a very relaxing feel. You have an additional space here, which can be maximized as an additional area where you can have a chair or a table or even an additional utility space. It's up to you. Heading in, you have your open, modern kitchen. Lots of storage all throughout with a nice island countertop right here And you already have a built-in oven, cooktop, and range hood with a dual stainless steel sink and lots of natural lighting here through this window. Okay? And if you're looking at it from this side, you can see how large the property is. You can see all the way to the dining and lanai space to your garden. So imagine having your meal prep right here, and then you can see your guests and family all the way out there. And in addition, from your formal kitchen space, you also have an auxiliary space. So you can have an additional refrigerator here, or even a small stove and oven. It's up to you how you want to maximize the space. It's completely covered. And on top of that, I always like houses that have very organized service areas. This is covered also, and this has a sliding door leading out to the garden area. You have your staff room here with its own bathroom. Cut me in. Here's the bathroom area. And on top of this space, you have an additional tiled area all the way here. And this is where you can hang clothes, completely out of view from your guests. And you have a heavy wash area here that's covered already, heavy sink space. You can potentially have a washing machine on this side. And then you also have an area where you can have your gas tank. So it's good that it's outside right here for safety. And this gate gives you access towards your parking area. Okay. So this ticks off all the boxes in terms of having a well-organized laundry and service area. And now we're back here to your main kitchen, dining area. And let's take a look at your first room right here. So this already has a split type air conditioning unit, large oversized window. The tiling is consistent with what you have in the dining and living space, large format tiles. And this is a nice multi-purpose room. So right now, this can be used as a bedroom, but it's up to you how you want to maximize it. And then right here, you have a full bath space. So that's why I said that the first room can be maximized as a bedroom, because you have a bath space here. And of course, in terms of utility, you have access to your parking area. Okay, now let's head on up. Nice guide lights. I also noticed here, the steps are very easy to climb. Señorita steps here. And then here you have your second level. Now let's explore first, of course, your primary bedroom. Now this is a large room, and this isn't just it. On top of this space, which already has a split type air conditioning unit, there's even a sliding door giving you access to an anteroom. So this is a nice size also. You can maximize this as a lounge space. You can have a couch and television set right here. Imagine having a couch here, TV on the other side, or even make this a nice home office. And then right here, you have your walk-in closet space. Now, it's spacious enough to even have an additional table here potentially. Lots of storage. And of course, a modern and spacious bathroom. You have an alcove bathtub here. And I like this touch having an oversized window. I would consider this an oversized window for a bathroom, but what's nice is it's frosted. So you have that natural light, but you have that privacy. And then nice recessed spaces right here for toiletries. And this is a nice touch having that indirect lighting around the mirror with a dual vanity sink space. You also have additional storage here for your hallway space. So this is a nice linen closet. Okay? And here you have your third room. I love the size, and this is a great feature of the house. You notice this from the facade of the house, this nice oversized window. It gives you a nice panoramic view of the street in front of the house. By the way, this is a very private and quiet community. It already has an inverter split type air conditioning unit, and I like that it has so much storage. What you see over here is a sliding door leading towards a shared bathroom space. So you can consider this a Jack and Jill bathroom because it's shared, but it has a lot of ventilation and lighting also. Once again with the frosted glass for privacy. And then large mirror here. And once you open this up, you have our fourth room. Once again with that panoramic window and with the split type air conditioning unit and storage. What's nice is it also has built-in cabinetry within the cabinetry. Now, to summarize, we've taken a look at 4 rooms. We have one downstairs, the master bedroom, and then 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. But we have an additional room here, a great amenity. This is an additional multi-purpose space. And what makes this unique is it has this picture window giving you a great view of your garden and living space. It also already has its own air conditioning unit, and this is a fantastic home office setup, especially if you want to have a view of the rest of the house, even if you stay here for hours as a study area, or even as a home office space, or even a gaming area, or even potentially a music room. You have a view of your family members downstairs, so you always feel connected. Okay. We're back here at the main hallway, and that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.